here in central Delhi, leaders and energy ministers from over 23 nations have gathered for the 4th Clean Energy Ministerial. It's a global forum that aims at promoting clean energy initiatives and encouraging a global clean energy economy. But what's really interesting is the involvement of the private sector here in promoting those goals. Leaders from government bodies and the industry representatives have been meeting to discuss various ways, for example, of reducing the cost of solar panels, faster adoption of clean vehicles, initiating clean technologies at various industry levels, and even evolving a power market in emerging economies. Inaugurating the two-day event, Indian Prime Minister Manmohan Singh voiced concern over what he called painfully slow progress of global climate talks. He said the goal of stabilizing global temperatures was nowhere in sight and pitched for individual countries to do more to improve their energy efficiency. Prime Minister Manmohan Singh said rich nations were responsible for the bulk of greenhouse gas emissions, but also best placed to provide workable solutions to mitigate climate change. But what was also interesting is he addressed one key concern of the private sector, which is finance. He said at the moment, green energy is not really viable without regulatory incentives or subsidies. This will be a huge relief to the private sector as they've seen a fall in investment over the last couple of years. Bloomberg New Energy Finance estimates that just in India in 2012, investments in clean energy initiatives have dropped by over 50% to $6.3 billion. This was mainly due to the expiry of incentives in the wind energy sector and fewer approvals in the solar energy sector. But what's most interesting is member countries of this forum are responsible for over 80% of the global greenhouse gas emissions. But they're also responsible for 90% of the investment in clean energy technology. Shilpa Kannan, BBC News, Delhi.